Hi guys, I have unboxing today, and this is, at least in our local boutique, considered to be Quota bag. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. First and most, I want to say happy Mother's Day. Most likely I will post this video after the Mother's Day, but nevertheless, happy Mother's Day. It's absolutely beautiful when we celebrate mothers and women in general all around the world. So once again, happy Mother's Day. Today I want to do unboxing of handbag in our local boutique. It's considered to be a Quota bag. As long as I know, pretty much everywhere around the world it's considered to be a Quota bag except for Paris. So I almost already give away what kind of unboxing is here, but you will be absolutely shocked of my choice. So let's do unboxing, and I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. So first and most, I want to say that this bag I got not from the local boutique. I got it pre-loved from Luxe Du Jour. It's a Canadian company. They are based right now in Calgary, but they also open new location in California. So I got this handbag pre-loved in absolutely brand new condition, and I clearly paid premium for it. When you see the bag, you will be like, oh my god, it's totally not you. Anyway, so let me do unboxing. I'm so excited because this handbag I actually requested my local boutique, my local SA, but I'm not even sure if she's already taken notes of what I want. We kind of, you know, drifted apart with my SA. So anyway, as I said, it listed as a brand new, and it's really brand new, full package. So it came with the box, original packaging, dust bag, clearly the pillow, the care booklet, and even the receipt. This handbag purchased in Hong Kong, and I kind of, you know, converted the price to Canadian dollars, and it was purchased in year 2022. Keeping in mind right now Hermes pretty much increased the prices, so I would say I maybe paid at most 4,000 Canadian premium, or maybe even 5, but comparing to what I'm usually spending in boutique, it's nothing. So are you ready guys? You will be shocked. You literally will be shocked of the color. Goodness. So let me remove the box that I can properly introduce you. Oh, let me just put the box away. So I got myself Constance 24, and it's a new Constance. It's a re-edition. That's what they call 124 or one gusset. So there is no double, in mauve Sylvester, Epsom leather with rose gold hardware. So anyway, let me open up. I'm maybe even gonna try right now video the packaging when I received from Luxe Du Jour. It was very safely wrapped in bubble, like, you know, in special bubble paper, but there was no really any kind of, you know, flashy packaging or anything like that. I received a thank you card, and I received a pen, Luxe Du Jour pen. I think I will have it. Let me grab that pen. So I received the Luxe Du Jour pen with it. Just have to be very careful with the pen and the handbags, just make sure. So that's how it looks like. I hope it's focusing. So that's the pen that I got with the package, and I said thank you card, and that's about it. You know, nothing really flashy or anything like that. So let me remove the felt, and I will show to you a little bit closer, and I will tell you the reasoning why I decided to get this handbag. In fact, it's pretty much my very first Hermes purchase from pre-loved market, and I was before, because before was clearly the prices are so staggering, like, you know, on the pre-loved market, but right now you can really find the great deals. Keeping in mind how desirable this color, keeping in mind that it's a rose gold, keeping in mind that it's Epsom, so very durable, I believe I got a good deal for myself. And let me actually show you first how the handbag looks like, because originally I want to have 24, but 24 by itself it's really bulky, and I don't really love the vision of the 24 in the middle. So this one has a back pocket. Let me open up. Inside it's just one open space. You have slip pocket, zippy pocket, and you have a mirror. Let me show you mirror. So that's the mirror that comes with the bag. Very, very handy if you wanna, you know, do your makeup, etc. So that's how it looks like. Inside, very, very soft and buttery lamb leather, and outside it's Epsom. Absolutely dream Constance 24, because as I said, I had before Roulis 18 mini. It's pretty much the same size as Constance 18, and I'm not saying that I wouldn't want to have Constance 18, but to be honest, my preferred size is 24. Even the Constance 18, it's smaller, but it's still kind of puffier, like kind of sticking out of the body. I really love this sleek design. I love that it's kind of more keeping the proper shape. It's not like puffy on top and kind of narrow at the, you know, bottom of the handbag. Really, really love it. But because it's very, very delicate color, and inside it's lambskin, right away I requested organizer, and this is from Zumoni. I always cooperate with them, guys. Highly recommend. Prices are very reasonable. They also send me a thank you card, the usual package as they do. Highly recommend Zumoni. And I got it in white color. First I thought like maybe I should get in pink, but then I decided to get it in white, so you have also extra pocket if you want to put your lipsticks, etc. Zumoni card. And let me put this organizer inside the handbag, and you will see, guys. I'm gonna do it right in front of you. I always recommend to get an organizer, especially if you have such a delicate color like pink or light blue or white, etc. But even darker color, it's highly recommended to put some kind of insert into the handbag, and that's how it looks like. You can see it's perfectly fitting. So my recommendation of buying in pre-loved, first and most, make sure that it's very reputable organization. For instance, when it comes to Luxe Du Jour, they always guarantee that the handbag is authentic. And to be honest, because I never had the Constance before in my collection, when I received it, I was kind of a little bit panicky, because for the custom they declare very low value, but now I understand it's just to prevent extra charges for the custom. So they declare very small value, and I was literally freaking out. I sent them a message and they go like, we highly advise you if you want to additionally authenticate your handbag. And I submit pictures with everything required to Baba Baby, and within literally 24 hours she sent me certificate for this handbag that the handbag is 100% authentic. Because I said, listen, I have Kelly's, I have Birkins in my collection, but I never had a Constance, so I'm not sure how the hardware looks like, how the writing on the hardware is supposed to be. So I'm a little bit freaking out, and she goes like, don't worry, it's 100% authentic handbag, and she sent me the certificate. So make sure that you always authenticate with a third party, just to avoid any kind of, you know, confusion or hesitations on your part, because it's, you know, when you're spending this kind of money, it's really worth it to authenticate. So that's how it looks like. This is double. Absolutely love this back pocket. My Della also has a back pocket and I use it all the time. As I said, it's totally unexpected color for me, and in fact, guys, I already can see that I'm gonna use this handbag a lot. And the reason for that, it's absolutely practical. I don't have a bunch of those divisions that I have to kind of making sure that my items fit either side, or like organizing in any not convenient, let's say, way for me, or I have to somehow make sure that I organize them in certain ways, you know, and so on and so forth. But I think this handbag, absolute perfection, especially for summertime. I already can see myself wearing it, even just like, you know, with everything white or everything blue or everything cream, just a pop of color. It's absolute perfection. I may be gonna do also a video what fits inside my handbag, so please put your comments below if you want to see that video. But this is my new baby to my collection. Absolutely gorgeous color, gorgeous hardware. I never had anything in rose gold from Hermes, and now I have palladium plated, I have gold plated, and I have rose gold plated hardware. So, and pretty much I have right now all like trifecta. I have B, I have K, and I have C. So I'm pretty much almost at peace with Hermes in my collection right now. I don't think I'm gonna chase any other handbag from the boutique. Once again, I already did major pre-spending. If they're gonna offer me, obviously I will take it in desirable color by me. I'm not gonna take just any handbag, but if they're gonna offer me, I will take it. But right now I highly recommend checking pre-love market, and not because, like, you know, they're paying me or anything like that. They don't pay me, and I pay, like, you know, all like from my own pocket for the handbag. Really happy that I got it. Didn't have to play any games. I think I scored an absolute deal, keeping in mind that this is brand new handbag, unused, plastic everywhere. This one is actually, I have to even lift a little bit of the plastic, because when I was sending for Baba Baby certification, she wants to see the logo. So originally this plastic was completely tucked in, but I was kind of lifting this up just in order to make a more clear picture. So that's about it. Please do your comments. Do you like my new handbags or not? I hope you love it, because I definitely love it. I definitely love it. I look forward using like the whole summer long, spring, you name it, all the way to the fall, as long as it's possible to wear a pink. By the way, guys, do you wear pink in winter? For me personally, it will be too much, but I like to hear from you. And I'm just kind of almost opening the new chapter in my life, that I'm kind of introducing back to my wardrobe pink and kind of soft pastel colors, and enjoying wearing them. So please put all your comments below. So this is my new beauty. So happy, so happy. So that's about it. I hope to see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.